Hello, everyone, and welcome to Kryptonite, the crypto investor channel. I'm Boris, so let's dive in. I'm with Colton today. Hello, Colton.
Hey, Boris, I hope you're doing well. Welcome back to the Kryptonite channel, everyone. Let's dive right in, Boris. Bitcoin itself really exploded this past weekend, really after the election, to be honest with you. Can you tell us why, Boris, and where do you expect Bitcoin to go from here?
Yeah, so like we had predicted, we had said it would happen late October, early November, but really the election was the big catalyst that everybody was waiting for. So now we are seeing the explosion. I mean, obviously, in just one single week, we have gone from about 68,000 all the way up to about 89,000. Small retracement today to 86,500, but I believe that this is really this is a tiny dip. It's gonna keep on going up. And one of the main reason is that people are buying like crazy. We saw that Michael Saylor from MicroStrategy bought another $2 billion worth of Bitcoin. He actually bought the equivalent of an entire month of Bitcoin production in one shot. And he's borrowing a lot more money. His goal is to borrow literally tens of billions of dollars to buy as much as he can. So he's on a rampage to buy. So is BlackRock. And the end result is this. As you see on this graphic, the numbers are going way down. The black line is the price of Bitcoin. The blue line is the reserves on exchanges. And as you see now, it's dropping. What's gonna happen when, and it's just a question of when, exchanges are going to run out of Bitcoins? Well, BlackRock, Michael Saylor, and anybody else that wants to buy Bitcoin, such as a retirement fund or some big VC investment fund, banks, etc., they're going to be buying from retail because there will be nothing left on exchanges. You see, the thing is, if you don't know that, when Michael Saylor buys $2 billion worth of Bitcoin, he doesn't go on Binance and start putting orders to buy $2 billion worth, because that would influence the price tremendously. The price would go through the roof. So he goes OTC, over the counter. He goes directly to Binance and he says, give me X number of Bitcoins, give me 10,000, 20,000 Bitcoins. And they sell it to him direct. So it doesn't influence the price. However, as we see on this graphic, there is almost nothing left. And pretty soon there will be nothing left. And then the only way is to go retail. And that's gonna make the price explode. It already is exploding at pretty much 86,000, and probably will go up very shortly. Within a day or two, maybe even today, who knows, we will go and probably pass the 90,000 mark. And after that, we'll probably get to about 94,000. There might be some battles, some also a little bit of small retracement there. You know, I mean, when you go this far, this high, this fast, remember, just on the November 10th, we were at 78,000. So in one single day, we gained more than $10,000. So that was crazy, but you haven't seen anything yet. When the Bitcoin reserves are down to zero and big purchasers want to purchase and they go really on the retail side of things to buy, you're going to see some crazy numbers you won't even believe. Probably something like $25,000, $30,000 in just one day. And it'll seem completely insane. So it's going to be pretty volatile. But the good thing is there is a lot of tailwind, lots of good stuff, going for Bitcoin right now. So remember, Colton, we had talked about a potential prediction of 200K for Bitcoin.
Correct. Yes, sir.
Well, I do believe that it's very possible. I'm not saying it's going to happen next week, but it's very possible that within the next 2-3 months, we're going to break, first of all, 100K. That's pretty much a given. I think that's going to happen definitely before the end of the year. But then going into 2025, we might see 130, 150, and probably even 200,000 by maybe February, March. It's very possible. I would say 150K would be kind of the minimum, but it could go as crazy as 200,000 by then. So pretty much 3-4 months from now, we could see 200K because reserves are gone. Everybody wants to buy. The Trump administration is getting into office on January 20th, and there's going to be a lot of changes, a lot of stuff happening. Definitely, I think that Gary Gensler is gone. He's going to be fired probably on Trump's first day, and then from there we go up and up and up for a little while. Now there will be a few dips, I mean that's normal. When the market gets overheated, there's always a small retracement, and it's healthy and it's normal. But right now it seems like there is nothing but tailwind for Bitcoin. So that's pretty much my take on it as far as the numbers. And of course, at some point it will rotate more into the altcoins. So altcoins have already gone up, but they will really go crazy once Bitcoin has reached a certain level, probably 120, 150. The market will start slowing down for Bitcoin, and people will start rotating into more altcoins to try to get more return. And at that point, we'll probably see also some crazy things happening with altcoins.
Thank you, Boris. That's it from my side. I appreciate all the information, but that's all of the questions I have for today.
All right. Well, thank you, everyone. Thank you, Colton. I hope your bags are packed and that you're just going to have to watch the market over the next several months, and there'll probably be a lot of lots of fireworks. See you next time on the next Kryptonite video. I hope this video helps. Thank you for watching. Have a good day. If you haven't already, please subscribe to our channel. And if you like the video at the end, click on the thumbs up.